Click on the link below to get price. The Isinwheel electric bike for adults is a remarkable blend of performance, convenience, and design. Equipped with a powerful 500W motor, this folding e-bike ensures an exhilarating ride, reaching speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. The acceleration is smooth, making it an excellent choice for both city commuting and leisurely rides on weekends. The various frame sizes available 14, 16, 20, and 26 allow riders of different heights to find an ideal fit, enhancing comfort and control. One of the standout features of the Isinwheel e-bike is its foldable design. In just a matter of seconds, the bike can be compacted, making it easy to store in small spaces or fit into a car trunk for weekend getaways. This portability is a significant advantage for urban dwellers with limited storage options. The bike's weight is manageable, which adds to its practicality when navigating tight spaces or carrying it upstairs. The battery life is impressive, providing a range that can cover most daily commutes efficiently. The bike can easily switch between pedal assist and full electric modes, allowing users to conserve battery life when needed or enjoy a completely hands-free experience during longer rides. The included LED display provides real-time information on speed, distance, and battery level, enhancing the user experience. In terms of build quality, the Isinwheel e-bike feels robust and well-constructed. The tires offer excellent traction, and the suspension system absorbs bumps smoothly, ensuring a comfortable ride over various terrains. Additionally, the dual brake system integrating both front and rear brakes enhances safety and gives riders confidence when stopping. Overall, the Isinwheel electric bike is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to enjoy the benefits of cycling without the sweat and strain of traditional biking. Its combination of speed, portability, and comfort makes it a standout option in the growing e-bike market. Whether you're commuting, running errands, or simply enjoying the outdoors, this bike delivers on its promises.